Hello. So I wonder if this works. Can I? Yeah. So I'm gonna play two tunes. I asked if someone wanted to have a listen to these weird contraptions. They are by far ideal. I just want to know what people think of the low end, and I don't think they're very practical in this kind of arrangement. But they might be for a, I don't know, sort of a kind of subwoofery thing. It has very high QTS, so it could be very hunky. So you do need to like DSP it, unfortunately. And that's what I did, kind of. I also removed like 13 dB on my listening position in 50 hertz because my room is bass heavy quite a lot. I removed 8 dB at the resonance frequency of each panel, which is for the left 30 something, really low. Let me check. 36, and for the right one it's 42. Is it 42? Yeah. As you can see, the right one is smaller, that's why the resonance is higher, but also the tension is a bit sloppier. So it should be, normally it would be more like 48 or 50 maybe. And this sloppy tension gives problems in the mid frequency. So they were standing around here too much. They fell over a few times. Things stuck to it if it's magnetic. So these panels are kind of screwed up by now. But I hope they will manage to at least function for a week. And I have, I believe, 2 or 3 appointments with people that just want to have a listen, and most of all just have a chat. I mean, it's it's fun to talk about your hobby, and they may not be they are not perfect. It's Christine and the Queens. Both have low end, which is kind of important in this case because the tweeters are recycled tweeters that are also standing around for 1.5 years or 2 years. So yeah, they work, but nothing fancy. And also they fell over a few times as well. You can see it as well. They're not looking perfect. But yeah, it's more about the bass. And I must say the integration is kind of hard. Every time I walk in, it's like, I don't know, something has to change, blah, blah, blah. You know the drill. I do measure as well, but where these tweeters cross, that's actually the frequency range I cannot measure in my room properly anymore. So making correction there is harder than usual. There's a small fly in front of my face. Go away.
Here is where everything happened. Ce que je voudrais raconter reste en pays étranger. Here is where everything happened. Sur mon dos marqué d'une croix, pose ta main, souviens-toi. Here, 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 here. effacé. Here is where everything happened. Dessous mes ongles, l'étincelle en moi, plus d'un millier. Here,
Ugh, that's a lot of noise. Yeah, so I don't know. Let's see what they think about it. But I think if I do anything with them, maybe dismantle them for magnets and do something new. That this might just be something I learn and might use in the future. I wonder if you can make like a much tinier one that plays to 100, like a monitor loudspeaker. That could be kind of funny. Kind of useless as well, but I think it's funny too. But double membrane is a little bit much work, and I think that's a bad idea. I mean, I think low end and huge excursion is what they're kind of better in than other single-ended ones. I mean, it's still bad, but better than a regular one. Well, anyhow, see you later.